Hi friends, I'm Danny702 and welcome to Icon Park here in Orlando on iDrive. The holidays are in full swing here at Icon Park and we are here to experience it all. And we have been here to Icon Park quite a few times. This is a really great one-stop shop. They have restaurants, they have stores, they have experiences, they have exhibits, they have rides, quite a few things. But today we are here to theme it out in the holidays because it is Christmas time. Ooh, look at that tree. Oh, and also look at that wheel. We're getting on there too. We're gonna see Santa. We're gonna go in, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Let's go. First things first, we are hopping through the Wheelhouse and heading to Sealife, where it's all decked out for the holidays under the sea. And I do believe we get a surprise visit from Santa Claus himself. We're a little pressed for time, so we're gonna head straight over there for now so we can see Santa Claus under the sea. Santa Claus with fish. That seems very interesting. Do you think the sharks have any special requests for Santa Claus?
More fish.
More fishies, I would say so too. Ooh, it looks like a little winter wonderland under the sea in here. This is really cool. Oh, these are the jellyfishes. Let's do yellow, purple, blue, and green. Ooh. So right now they are telling a story towards the night before Christmas, but it's got a little sea twist to it. And then Santa came down and they said, Buddy the Elf. They're calling him Scuba Claus. That's pretty clever. This is awesome. Hello there. It looks like Santa's got treats for the fish. Oh yeah, they are gathering around. There's a whole bunch of fish right here. He's got a bag full of goodies for them. It's so neat just to be floating around with all those fish in there. There's also sharks and rays in here as well. The sharks seem to disappear as soon as Santa and Buddy the Elf came in though. Here they've got Christmas lights lit up all around the aquarium. This is really cool. Looks like the kids are absolutely loving it. Now they do that every once in a while here at Sealife until the holidays are over. Really, really cool exhibit, and I really love the added, holiday vibe in here. I love the Christmas lights in the aquarium. The aquarium already has like really cool lights all around it. Everything looks so cool and clean in here, but the added Christmas lights is just so much fun. Oh, there are the sharks. Oh, that was kind of funny. Santa came out and the sharks stayed away. I see him, he's right under us. Oh, there's too much glare, but he's there, I swear. You see him? there we go. There he is, how crazy, he's right under us. There he goes. Oh, whoa. Bunch of stingrays. I know in this aquarium there is like a gigantic turtle somewhere. I don't say, oh, there he is. This is a big boy. His name is Ted, and he was a rescue that they had tried to release into the wild multiple times, but he just kept coming back to shore. So they ended up keeping him here at Sealife, so that way he stays out of harm, since he was exhibiting like behaviors that basically couldn't survive in the wild. Ooh! Oh, he's just staying here with us.
There's a big one on the floor.
I know. Wow, that is so cool. Eddie just said this area looks like a tropical Christmas. Oh yeah, they got Christmas lights all in the palm trees. A very Florida-like Christmas. Got the flamingo over there. If you guys have not seen my Sealife video, definitely check that out. We did a really in-detail tour of this whole exhibit, and it's so insanely cool. Icon Park itself just has some really, really great exhibits. Sealife definitely on a to-do list. If you come to Orlando and you want to get away from the parks for a little bit, such a great spot. It looks like some of the Sealife that are inside of the exhibit have little stockings hung up. Oh, it's so cute. So I guess Sassy and Gus, they must be eels. Oh, and here's Ted's stocking. So it says that you can write a holiday letter to your favorite Sealife sea creature. And I've got a little sheet of paper here. I think I'm gonna write something to Ted, because Ted's pretty cool. So
what'd you write?
It says, so Ted, stay classy, Merry Christmas from Danny. Oh yeah, I think we put him in his stocking too. Oh, I got red lipstick too, we'll do one of these. Ah, that's so cute! Alright.
Is that good? It's cool.
And you haven't done an attraction until you exited out through the kitchen. Let's go to the next thing. I know Madame Tussauds did also decorate for the holidays. We will not be heading in there today. But I did see Marilyn Monroe out front, and I do love myself some Marilyn Monroe. She is definitely one of my favorite ladies of all time. And I'll tell you what, the girl has some really great taste in lipstick color. There are definitely plenty of options when it comes to food here at Icon Park. They have one of my favorites. Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips is here. This place is so good. But another option is to go inside of the Wheelhouse, where they have a small cafeteria with a few different options. And a huge shout out to Icon Park for inviting us out to experience some of the holiday activities that they have here at Icon Park. And we get to taste some of the options that you have inside of the Wheelhouse at the cafeteria. We got a couple different bites today. Ooh yeah. Oh yeah, you ready for some food?
Yeah.
We have pizza from Brick and Fire. We also have chicken from, I think it's called Chicken on Fire. Oh, that smells good. We also get to try tacos from Tin and Taco, which has multiple locations in Orlando.
It's not super hot, it's still pretty good.
I know. Yeah, I might have been sitting out for a little bit, but it's okay to eat pizza that way. That's like the way to eat pizza.
Yeah.
Look at these humongous slices of pepperoni. Oh man.
You're not stingy with the pepperoni either.
This is hitting the spot. I have been craving a pizza the last couple of days. This is good. Okay, let's try a piece of chicken.
Yeah.
Yes.
What sauce did you get?
I got, I don't remember which one I got. I think I just got like barbecue. Okay, yeah. I got Fat Night smoked apple barbecue sauce. Which one did you get?
I got the Chunky Rush.
Which one?
Chunky Rush is called it's like an aged red chili sauce.
Ooh.
That's spicy. Wow, it's like really good, but it's like spicy at the same time.
Oh man, I saw they also had one that had sriracha in it. I'm surprised you didn't get that one.
This is bomb, but I don't think I should eat it all.
I just grabbed the sriracha hot sauce just because for you guys. We're doing it for you guys. Let's see how hot this one is. That's not as hot as I thought it was gonna be actually. Okay, now I feel it. Woo!
Wow.
That snuck up on me.
It's good too.
It is really good. Yeah, we like spicy stuff though. Woo, it snuck up on me. Wow. I was like, this is nothing, so I think I grabbed too much of it. Another look at the tacos from Tin and Taco. There's one that's got mac and cheese, but also beef. I think he called it the Mac Attack. What is that? Those look like chicken nuggets. This is definitely like pork, like a carnitas with some sort of sauce on it. What is this? Is this French fries? These are little French fries.
Oh wow.
All right, Tin and Taco, I see you.
You know what? They're all good.
Yeah.
I guess it all depends what you're in the mood for.
Yeah, for sure. Like right now, I'm gonna say the pizza, but that's because I've been craving pizza for a really long time. The tacos were great. The chicken was really good.
Yeah.
They had cupcakes. We haven't grabbed any yet. Hopefully, they'll be still around in a little bit because we actually have to head back into the Wheelhouse to see Santa Claus. We're here at the Wheelhouse where it's been completely redesigned since the last time that we've been here. They have the Santa Workshop Experience. Looks like we can take photos with Santa, a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of holiday stuff in here that we're doing today. Wow, we just walked into Santa's workshop. A Christmas tree decorated with just teddy bears and these like little fluffy ball things. Are these the big teddy bears that you can find at like Costco and some people can like get inside of them and like scare people? Hopefully nobody's in here right now. He's gonna jump out at us while I'm taking a picture with it.
Santa's Workshop Scare Zone.
This isn't HHN. Oh, there's like a lot of really fun photo spots, like photo opportunities. You can come here and definitely get a picture for maybe your Christmas card. Definitely can tell that it's Santa's workshop. We've got all of the toys being made. Oh look, we can also see Santa's red boots. So squishy. Oh my gosh. We had one of these. Where would we put them?
There'd be no room.
There would be no room. This thing is massive. I think it's bigger than I am.
Oh no, it's definitely way bigger than either of us.
Yeah, it's gotta be like 6 feet tall. A 6 feet tall teddy bear. It makes for good hugs and cuddles though. Eddie, what happens when you don't have a fireplace? How does Santa come in?
I think you've got a magic key. You just break into your house.
Does he have a key or does he break in?
Depends if the key works or not.
Depends if you were naughty or nice?
Yeah, then he just kicks open the door.
Oh no, well yeah, I mean, these are his shoes. I'm pretty sure they can do some damage. All right, it's our time to say hello to the big man. Hello, Santa. I really enjoyed your workshop here. It's very nice, very clean, very cozy. How many days is there until Christmas? How much do we got?
25 days.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Are you prepared?
I'm getting there.
I'm prepared. I did all my shopping during the Black Friday, so we're good to go. Is it okay if we get a picture with you, Santa? Awesome. All right, Santa, happy holidays. Thank you. We are back inside of the Wheelhouse. Now it is our turn to go on the icon wheel. Eddie noticed that you can connect to their Bluetooth. So you can connect to the cabin's iPod and then you will be able to play your own music in here. I also read that we had holiday pods, which I'm seeing this one here. I don't know if it, oh there we go, if we zoom in a little bit, there's a little bit of ornaments in that pod here. Our pod is a plain pod. We didn't get a holiday pod. Oh, there go some people in the Starflyer. We did that before and it was so scary, but it was so much fun. So let's see, what can we spot? I see Disney over there. You can see the little balloon out at Disney Springs in the distance. Park, they are building the world's tallest swing ride and the world's tallest drop tower, which you can see in progress here. Oh man, I don't know about that swing ride. That's not something that I'm interested in. I mean, I wonder if it catapults you or if it swings you. I actually don't know. We'll have to find that out. But the drop tower I might do. If they let me film that, we're back for it. Universal. So there is a Volcano Bay. Downtown Orlando in the distance. I think I'm seeing the airport over there. Eddie's digging being able to play his own music.
That's pretty awesome.
What'd you just say about it?
I said, imagine like you and a couple friends, you have like just a bar right before you go on, or
Right.
down there and have like a view.
Yeah.
Come up here, put a playlist on.
Yeah.
And just have fun up here.
You can put holiday music on to make it into the Christmas spirit.
Whatever you want, whatever you're into.
Whatever floats your boat. I think we are at the apex right now. We're at the tippy top. Oh my gosh, it looks so scary looking down. All right, what else can we see? I had to switch out my battery really quick and then we had to have a little dance break. Steady so I can zoom in on some stuff, but the whole pod is wobbly because this guy behind me. And you gotta turn off the music for now.
I wish I could have a pod to fly me everywhere. And I could put my music on and dance.
As we're exiting, I'm seeing the sign that says that the holiday capsules, you have to redeem a coin from Santa for a free ride in the holiday capsule. Oh, okay. Throughout the year, you can get on the Pearl Express, but it does look like it is decked out as well for the holidays. Are we gonna be able to fit in this?
Oh yeah.
All right, all right. Come on in, Eddie.
I feel like I'm in the back of a Mini Cooper. And I've been there.
Hey, there's enough room. Look. Oh yeah, nice and cozy. Eddie, it's a little romantic.
It is not much dancing room. Not much dancing room as a podcast.
Yeah, no dancing room. Why am I so excited about it? Whee! Museum of Illusions. We did that. That was so much fun. Seriously, you guys gotta check out Museum of Illusions. You guys gotta check out Sealife, Madame Tussauds, all the rides. Can you even hear me? I don't know. Wow! It's super bumpy. Oh, sharp turn, U-turn. On your left, you will see Build-A-Bear Workshop. shop where you may be able to find a Baby Yoda.
Oh, great.
We've got a live music joint. And over to your right, you will see Orlando CBD House, but also Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips. Oh yeah, that place is so good. And over to your left, you got Sugar Factory, where I believe you can find, well, tons of sugar, I would expect. We did it! We're back at the train station! I had fun, I liked it. You know what you can do is you get on it first, like the first thing you do is you get on that, so then you can see all the food options, and then you can decide from there where you want to go. Okay, that's going to do it for our Christmas adventure here at Icon Park. Such a really great place to be. You just can hit so many different things all in one stop. Free parking, really fun for Christmas. Thanks so much for Icon Park for inviting us out so that we can show you guys how they do their holidays here. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I love you. Peace.